HPE Discover is HPE's annual show in which they pull together roughly about 10,000 of their customers and partners and talk about their strategic plans for the next several years. HPE has done a great job to build out their HPE GreenLake edge to cloud portfolio. It focuses on the edge, obviously, on hybrid cloud, and now they've extended it into the AI space. The great thing about the HPE Edge to Cloud platform is that now you have one location, you have access to an incredible amount of compute technology and data services and pretty much any services that you need to pull data from the edge all the way back into your data center. One of their exciting announcements was HPE GreenLake for large language models, LLMs. LLMs are big right now, things like, GPT-4 and ChatGPT, and now we have a way to interact with them, and so people are starting to see the potential. Customers that want to take advantage of these AI technologies are not really sure how to do it. HP has given them access in a public cloud sort of way to Cray supercomputers. So you don't need to have expertise on how to operate this equipment, subscribe to it and use it and get actionable insight from your data right from the get-go.